Watch. For the world, it's not a plan. Hear me, man? A franchise is choosing one, a 10-star general, who know me I represent for Gaza and I know a loud effect. Anytime I load up, crank up, aim up, sound the big thing, them and drop necessary equipment, when you know a loud explosion, boy. Watch. Hear me, man? Right about now in a Gaza nation, and my first thing this is 2019. And here me I go tell you now. From after teacher, go through him appeal, you know. I don't know how I see it, you know. I can go back, go check back the ratio. You see differently from the collaboration with the girls them. A straight hardcore the man gone back. You hear me? So some man have to go pull up them socks right about now. And then more 1-2 easy thing. The man take it hardcore and watch this now, the man. You don't know when teacher drop a road, you know. 2019, you know. The rest are history, you know. You see what I deal with? But when I'm glad for, you know, for see, you know. I'm glad for see, say, well then, teacher, swing it back hardcore because teacher was the man who take it from hardcore and swing it in another spot there. And teacher swing it back hardcore right about now. I'm going to tell you the reason why I like that. You see, at the end of 2018, it was a good look for dancehall. Yo, I see Terror Fabulous. You see? I see Lowe Culture. You see? I see Spragga Bent. You see? I see Baby Sham. You see me? A be a mad house artist, I just name out I tell you about it a while ago, you know. You know what I mean? Yeah, I love the vibes, you know what I mean? Because you have to know Madhouse Production used to run this thing with Dave Kelly and on a lollipop thing. I be a Madhouse artist that I just talk about. And let me tell you something. So when I watch them on them, everything the man them rip off a living fire. And it only right for the promoters them nowadays. No, say them have to mix them giant artists with the look of you, them will just bust out. Because here we are going. Normally when you see some young artists with them hot tune and them a perform a stage show, normally you watch the people them as we have video them and them shit there. You see them artists there, I just name out them artists there from back down in the days. When them come and enter stage show and rise up them song. It's not like people now have video, but you can't have video and stand up, you have to jump. Because big song a bust out your ears jump. And the way the artists them a work the stage too. It's a good look for even the young artists them because them can learn a thing or two on the stage live. Watch the shortcut where the brother them use on the stage and watch the craft and how the man them monster up the stage. You see what I deal. So it was a brilliant look that way there for me. For sister well then, some of the artists them a come back in the business and I like that. And I hope it only carry over into 2019 because it only can get better. You see what I say? Watch I know. I love how the artists them go around and keep them show. You see what I deal with? Everything was a success. Junior Gang Boat Ride, Shellway. Beanie Man Summer Scissor, Shellway. Capitan St. Mary will come from Shellway. Egyptian thing, Shellway. Popcorn Unruly Fest, Shellway. You know what I mean? Bounty Killer Party, It's a Party, Shellway. Aishana Party, Shellway. Ding Dong Party, Shellway. Romish Party, Shellway. So I like the shellings, a crazy shellings, you see what I say? Yeah, so I like, good. Happy New Year, man.
Happy New Year.
Same to you, man. Okay. Yeah, so I like the kind of challenge where I see go on. You see what I deal with? I just want the man them to carry it over in a 2019, you know what I mean? Because it was a nice look and a real enjoyment feelings to the people them out there who you see represent at the party and the show them. You see what I say? Yeah, it really was a beautiful look, you know? Good. Yeah, I love every bit of it, virgin. You know what I mean? Real way. And then a lollipop thing. You see what I say? And I love all the people them I push back the energy to Munga. You know what I mean? I like that, you know what I mean? Because Munga is a nice artist who bust out and everybody don't know where go on. You know what I mean? But we like what we see go on. I have some more artists where the man them for push out back. You know what I mean? Because you have good artists out there where the man them do crazy thing and people now look upon them, you know what I mean? I'm like that. And Gage is a serious artist, whether or not pay mine or not. The catalog where I build right now, a serious catalog. So you see, anytime him start go around and I work show consecutively, the crowd are gonna have a problem with him. Because everything when him rip off a fire. You know what I mean? Because you not talk about this and talk about that, you not pay attention to the catalog them where I build. Or some no-nonsense thing, you know, my virgin. A living fire, you know, crowd pleaser, you know. When you draw feet at the whole crowd, I got help you sing it, you know. And I like that, you see what I deal, because right now, you know, him a differentiates himself, you know, from a local artist to a big artist, and that him about for transfer over into right now. I like that, and nobody can say a lie. Me I tell you, see the improvement in the youth, and you see the transform, you see what I deal with, and you see the interlecito. Don't forget that. You see the interlecito. You see what I deal with. So you see the man improve rapidly. And right now, I forgot approach him with caution because it look like him armed and dangerous. And then a lollipop thing. You see what I deal with. So, I like all of them things that we see happening at the ending of 2018 and hopefully feet swinging at 2019. You don't know the biggest thing for me right now at 2019. I have to see the world boss come a road and I have to see Buju Banton perform for the first time, not second. And I know a whole heap of people as well are wait on that, you know what I mean? Dancehall take a different route right about now, and I can't say a lie. Because I see the Jake and Twirling come perform a Popcorn and all the shit. You see say Jake sign Popcorn to Ovio because I saw the thing go. So, a more niceness and more look. You see what I deal with? I sit and I leave bust off the case where I hold him back. So I look for a prosperous 2019 from him. Because as I tell him already, him image alone sell him off with the character where him have. And I think every youth in the world like that. Worse the youth them from overseas, like from England, America, Canada, and all those places. And the people them who like them graphic, scary type of movie shit there and all them things there. So I don't know family, you think shut and nobody can stop that. So just go on do your thing the way how you used to do it and don't make nobody change you. You see what I deal with? Because as long as people still a watch double show and them shit they still a sell off in a theater and a man not supposed to come give an argument for the character where you play my virgin and a lollipop thing. And right about now, I don't know what really I go out with the youth name Squash. You see, I don't know if the man come out of jail or him still there in jail, but you know what I mean? It would be a good look if the man come from out of jail right now because the man really have a buzz out on the street and people need to see him. So government and police don't know what to do and let go the youth them if they don't have nothing upon them. It's not like me I say if somebody do something wrong them for the and that me I say. Good. Alright. I'm not supporting no wrong activity. You hear me I say, but me I say if you don't have nothing upon the youth, them and don't hold the youth them in a nothing, and I hear say thing when I work off and I let go the youth them, you hear me? Because you don't go spoil up the youth them reputation, you hear that? Right now, I see some whole heap of other things that go on YouTube, but I have to leave that alone because that have Muma Lolo and Muma Lashy, you know what I mean? Who are real hardcore youth when I get yourself involved in a them bang around there. But I just say, you know what I mean? It was a good look for dancehall in at the end of 2018. I like the look where that show. You see what I deal? And hopefully for the man them carry it over in 2019. As I say right about now, we are waiting for Buju Banton for see him first performance. I don't hear from Tony Rebel yet, so I don't get to see where Rebel salute look on, because I don't know if the Gargamel go dep on it neither. But as I tell you, I see Lexus perform. I don't know. For a while, people forgot that Lexus is a man who responds to the girl. Them. So promoters, I hope you watch them shit there. You know? Because Lexus is not easy artist. That be a hit song and #1 song him have. Him not have no fuckery tune. every song will exhaust it, if a hit song a big #1 song. You see me? Them use the catalog and no lollipop thing. I watch Spraga Bench performs. I watch Lowe Culture perform. I watch Baby Sham perform. You see what I deal with? I see Piece of Terror Fabulous. Yo, I say mad also. A mad thing. You know what I mean? Some of us want the promoter them know, you know. Say it's a good look. And I saw the man them should have been a do it long time. And mix the general them with the youth them. So the youth them can learn the craft the right and proper way. And know how for man and go show. You see what I deal with? Because most of the show them where the youth them go with them big hot song and thing. It's not like them now get them forward, but them forward is a phone business and a view. When the general them go on that, you know, just hunger video alone. You have to jump up in the air because people in front of you there, you fly over your head and a jump. So you have to jump in the air for you to capture the scene. So on a lollipop thing. So I like that look there. I mix the hell of them with the young youth. Things can only get better that way there. And right now, I see the woman them like them out for getting at this bag of cussing and chasing thing. Although that is a woman thing, you know. You have to be more focused on that, you know what I mean? And same like how you see the girl when him Dovey Magnum come I respect that girl. That girl is a real hardcore girl. The way I hear she come and she talk and the things them want do, what she do. And not for no woman when a dance hall for let go them fuck with her and take a leaf out of the girl book. You see what I deal with and a lollipop thing and cut on a fuck out. We don't want to hear on a chasing saga. We don't going on a